It's important that we learn how to combat or remove our fear. And what I do personally is that I combat my fear by taking it head on, and I basically embrace it and I squeeze it into nothing. And the way I do it is, well, what's my fear? Well, I suppose my fear is losing money. So what I do, and what I encourage other people to do, is that before you place your trade, when you have a setup for whatever particular markets you trade, and you know how much money you're prepared to lose, debit that potential loss against your profit and loss spreadsheet before you place that trade. Okay? So debit it before you place that trade and have a look at your account balance. And you know, that account balance right now is essentially the worst the market's going to do to you. And you look at that, and if you can live with that, you should have no fear about placing the trade, because you've taken away the sting from the market, taken away from the market that power it has over you, because you're fearful from taking another punch from the market. You know what? Well, just take the punch before you go into the ring, and then you just remove the fear of the markets, because what more can the markets do to you that you haven't already done to yourself? Because you have debited your spreadsheet with your expected loss. Okay, and if you can learn to do that, I believe, well, certainly for me, it just removes the fear of trading, because I know I trade relatively small to my account balance. It's just an irritation, these individual losses that I have. It's not going to kill me. I can still trade the next day, the next month, the next year, and I got no fear.